guys, welcome back to Heart of the Batter. This week is going to be so much fun because Nakenang, I have Serene and Jermaine with me, two of my closest friends, and we are going to do a taste test. Dun, dun, dun. Look how scared he is.
I don't know what's going on right now. I'm just here.
Okay. Okay, so here are the rules. We're going to be blindfolded, and we're going to have a steady stream of ingredients coming in front of us. We won't know because we won't be able to see. And it can be sour, it might be sweet, it might be crunchy, it might be a liquid. Who knows? We don't know. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna taste it, and then 1, 2, 3, and then we're all gonna shout out at the same time what we think it is, and whoever gets the most right wins.
Dope.
Right? Sound good?
Sounds good.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
I'm scared.
Really am too.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous.
No seafood.
Don't
I'm allergic to
cheat.
seafood.
We wouldn't do that to
I
you.
already lost my plate.
Okay, here's our first thing.
Where is it?
On the plate, I think?
Where?
Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, I was not expecting that.
It's my favorite chip.
Oh, I know what this is. Yeah. I know what this is.
Y'all ready?
Can I get?
Wait, yeah.
Can I get more?
3, 2, 1.
Salt and vinegar.
Vinegar Lay's.
Yep.
Chips, yeah.
She said salt and pepper.
Vinegar.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Okay, wait,
That's
we
my favorite chip.
tied on that.
No, because I'm the only one who said Lay's. Is it Lay's?
I can't see. I'm sorry.
We're gonna break stuff. Don't break stuff. Okay, hold on. I think the next thing is in front of us. Don't touch it yet. Just find your plate.
Okay, cool.
On the sides.
Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Uh huh.
Wait, no, I don't. Haven't
Do you have
touched
your
it
plate?
yet.
Just find your plate. Oh, you're touching it. Okay, I can hear you touching it. Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Oh, it's a whole bunch.
Yep, these are good. I wish I had some almond milk right now and a bowl of these.
Some vanilla soy milk right now would be good.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fruit
Loops. Hey.
Serene!
I don't know what I was gonna say.
What were you gonna say?
She didn't know.
Say it. No, say it. What were you gonna say?
I only had fruit.
Fruit?
I couldn't remember the rest.
I only had fruit. You could have played it off. You should have said fruit room. You know?
It didn't come out.
Oh wow.
Okay, so Jermaine and I have 2 more points. Or 1 more point.
Where's your hand?
I'm losing.
All right. Cool.
Serene's got half of all the titles. It's okay.
Never be complete.
It's okay. Okay, so we have the next one. So we have a spoon, so just be careful when you lift it, just in case it like flies everywhere. Okay, ready?
Oh my
All right.
goodness.
Okay, right now.
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
Oh
Ooh. Ooh. I need something to put with that. Up, I know what that is. Woo!
I think I do too. 'Cause I love pickle things.
What are you doing?
Sending it back out.
All I hear is you going.
My taste buds have to figure it out.
Okay. You let me know when you're ready, when your taste buds are ready. Stop smacking.
It's pretty tasty. I just want some fried chicken with it or something. Or some chicken.
Okay,
Baked chicken.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Barbecue
Barbecue
sauce.
sauce, yeah.
What? Did you say ketchup? Ketchup?
What?
It's like ketchup. I'm so
Okay,
sure.
she clearly lost this round.
She did not only lose this round. Serene,
back points?
you're eliminated. You're eliminated.
Okay, so point. You don't get a point for that one.
What was
Said
that?
barbecue was correct.
Both of
Yeah.
us. Right? It's barbecue sauce, right?
Who's correcting us?
Yes, barbecue sauce.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh, man.
Thanks, babe. Okay, so grab your spoon. Here's the next one. And then
Okay.
a little thing.
Spoon.
This should be interesting. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Okay, 3 something?
Did you say 3? Oh.
Go. Oh, I know what this is.
I know what this is too.
I think. Serene! Earmuffs! This is a kids show.
What's that drink that you drink when you're sick?
Stop asking us questions. We can't help you. This is a competition.
Don't confuse me. Yeah, don't, because I'm already thinking in my head not to taste it again.
I got it. I'm ready.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready with your answers? 3, 2, 1.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Oh,
Yeah! Okay, that was a good one because it took me a second, but then I got
had to
it.
figure it out.
Okay. I'm right here cleansing my palate.
I'll make a drink and I will catch up.
Ooh, what's
ASAP.
up, buddy? You want to play with us too? Okay, here's our next one.
Okay.
I think we have to dip again. Okay, you ready? So just take your.
Oh, it's got nowhere.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Oh, it's so good. What is wrong with you? You ready, Jermaine?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, ready?
Oops.
3, 2, 1. Curry.
Salad dressing. Curry,
Whoa,
it is curry.
whoa. You said salad dressing. I heard you.
I said curry after.
No.
Because I said curry.
Yeah, it's curry though. All right,
I get a point because
got
you
it.
said
You got
salad
it.
dressing. Come on, guys. You gotta step up our palates.
Seriously.
All right, guys, so the last one was a little bit too easy. Well, the last few. Jordan has been getting every single one, so I'm gonna take it into my own hands and make my own special concoction.
A twist?
What?
I don't know.
Just because I'm winning? What is that? I would like to just
Hey,
say
you trust me, right?
yes, I do. But I would like to just say I didn't know anything that we were tasting. I swear.
Okay, guys, it's in the middle of your plate.
Okay.
I have one rule this time. There's no smelling.
What? How is that possible?
Come on, whip
up
it, bro.
with a little bowl and stir. Yes, and
Whip
stir
it.
it.
that
Whip
work.
it.
Whip
Whip
it on
it.
that work.
Serene, what are you
Whip it on
doing?
that work. Whip it on that work.
Okay,
Use
it's
your other
hard to
hand.
not smell it. I have to breathe.
All right, ready? On the
Okay.
count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Doesn't that taste amazing?
Babe, what is? Well,
You gotta say your guess. All right, ready?
wait. Okay,
Why
you
did
mix
you
something
mix it?
together.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 2 different things.
Okay.
All right, ready, babe? 3, 2, 1.
Ouchie.
Come on, Serene.
Oh, did I say it already? Cocktail sauce?
I feel like there's mustard and
Poppy seeds or something.
Take off your blindfolds.
No, I hate that part.
oh my gosh, no
Horseradish.
wonder.
That's what that
I
was.
love horseradish. How did I not get that?
I thought it was ginger.
Yo, terrible.
Lemon? I don't even know what that is.
Ooh, I hate lemon. That was gnarly. Dang, babe. Okay, so I think our next thing is there. It's in the cup. Do you guys have your cup?
Yeah, did we just, is it a spoon involved or?
I think we just
It's
drink
in the
it.
cup?
It's in the cup. Yeah.
Straight ahead.
I don't know where your cup is.
I don't know. You don't have to think about the.
All right,
Just
cool.
gently grab it. Oh. Okay, ready?
We drink it with etiquette with our pinky. up.
Pinky's out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I've had this before.
Can I get some more?
Can we have some more?
I don't forgot how it tasted. I don't forgot what I tasted.
Excusez-moi.
She stretches her swallows.
Hey.
Okay,
Bruh,
I'm sorry.
this is a family show. Watch out, Serene. Dang.
I'm sorry.
I gotta put-
Are you?
Oh, sorry. I was just taking advantage.
All right, that's enough.
Are we tasting again? That's the redo.
Did she just say, was that a redo? Okay.
Yeah, because we're drinking.
Oh, I know what it is.
again, right?
I do too. I'm ready.
I think
I'm ready.
I know
I'm
what it
ready.
is. You ready, Serene? We'll give you as much time as you need.
I got it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Fruit
Cherry
punch
Sprite.
soda.
That sounded good.
Fruit punch soda.
Okay, I said cherry Sprite. And what'd you say?
Cherry.
You did not say cherry. You said something soda. What'd you
Cherry
say?
soda.
Oh, cherry soda. Okay. Serene got it. Yeah.
No, it's fruit
Can I get
punch,
double
fruit punch
punch,
soda.
please? 'Cause I'm
It's
really
cherries in fruit punch.
No, that.
It's like a fruit
no,
punch.
No.
Okay.
Good job, Serene.
Yeah.
High five. It's
High five. Air.
It's right here.
Good job, Shireen.
Okay, now here's the next one. Don't smell it, just put it in your mouth. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey, there's nothing.
It's nothing.
I didn't get.
I know what it is because I hate it. Oh God.
You said just to take it.
Just put it in your mouth.
Now that you're doing that, I don't want to.
No, just put it in your mouth because you might like it.
What is this? Every time I chew, a chemical goes up my nose.
I need more of that cherry Sprite. It's to 7-Up. So gross.
Okay, soda.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Spinach.
Cilantro. Yeah.
Same
Coming
thing.
back up.
That's another point for
4.
me. Same thing.
You don't get
They're
a
both
point.
green. They're both
Okay.
green.
Oh, they're both green. Okay. Oh,
Is it
cilantro
green?
is like
So me and-
Satan's lettuce. Okay, so I'm winning. Okay, so grab the little bowl. Ooh, I'm scared now. Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't even do it, yo. I don't even know what this is. I can't even do
Oh,
I don't know what it's called.
I know what it is.
I know what it is. I don't know what it's called.
Took a second. Ooh, they feel weird when you can't look at them. Ugh.
What is it called?
I can't tell you.
Don't you know where I'm going?
So you do know what it is.
Yes.
You just don't know the name of it. What is it? 3, 2, 1, go. What is it?
A sweet pea or a pea or something?
No.
I'm that white.
A bean? A bean?
Close.
The hummus one, right?
It's a chickpea. Garbanzo bean.
Terrible.
Okay, so we have a combo plate. I'm still winning. Okay, ready? Let's go. I'm scared. Ooh, this is yummy.
Oh my God, Jermaine!
What?
You hear his mouth?
No, because
That's how you taste. You gotta like get
You
it.
taste like that with everything you eat?
No, because I know how pizza and stuff tastes, but
Oh
this
my
is
God.
like, you know, different. You gotta like take your time.
Okay, so what was on the... Okay, what was on the spoon? Ready?
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Applesauce.
Pumpkin.
applesauce and apple juice.
It was pumpkin. Okay, the drink.
I
3,
thought it
2,
was
1.
pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Where you at? Where your hand at?
Oh, that was my eye. Act 1. Act 1. That was gross. It was gross. It was gross. Good job. Good job. All right. Okay, so that clearly was a lot of fun. I was sweating. Did you guys have a good time?
Yep. It was fun. Super
No,
fun.
I liked it, and I like the Honey Nut Cheerios. I spilled them everywhere. But anyway, if you guys have ever done a taste test with your friends, or if there's anything right here that you guys like, let us know in the comments. And as always, please make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next week on How the Batter. See you later. Bye.